Today we're going to show you how to get Ronaldo's hairstyle. No, not that Ronaldo, Cristiano Ronaldo. We're going to delve into everything you need to achieve that iconic disconnected undercut with a side part. We'll walk you through what to discuss with your barber, which products to use, and how to nail the styling. This hairstyle is relatively easy to pull off, but ask for the wrong thing and it can go drastically wrong. Alright, let's talk about Cristiano Ronaldo. At 39 years old, he's still one of the best footballers out there. The Messi versus Ronaldo debate, that's never going to end. But let's agree on this, Ronaldo has aged like a fine wine. He's always on top of his game, not just in football, but also when it comes to his style. He's rocked many hairstyles over the years, but the high fade disconnected undercut with a side part, that's his signature look. And when most guys are moving to a natural style, Ronaldo is holding strong with that wet look. And at this point, it really makes his style stand out from the pack. So let's dive into how you can pull off this iconic style. Step 1, the cut. When you hit the barber's chair, be crystal clear. You want a disconnected undercut with defined edges and a high fade. This ensures a sharp contrast between the longer top and short sides, giving you that clean and polished finish. Keep the top long, around 2 to 4 inches, to create that signature comb over effect. Finally, ask your barber to identify your natural part. It's important not to force a side part in a certain direction, or you risk ending up with a look that feels awkward and unnatural. Pro tip, if you really want to accentuate the part, ask your barber to straight razor it in. This is something Ronaldo often has done to really add contrast to his side part. It also helps maintain the part as your hair grows back, making styling a breeze between trips to the barber. If you're still unsure what to ask, consider bringing reference photos of Cristiano Ronaldo to guide your barber to ensure you get that desired look. Again, just make sure you choose the right Ronaldo. Step 2, styling. As this hairstyle is relatively short, styling is a breeze. However, you want to choose products that don't weigh the hair down. For more texture, high hold, and a touch of shine, start by applying a pre-styler such as sea salt spray to damp hair. Then, taking a straight comb, brush the longer hair on top over, away from the defined line. Next, hit it with a hairdryer angled upward while brushing your hair in the direction of your side part. This will enhance natural texture and provide a subtle lift once your hair dries, creating the perfect foundation for your style. But here's where the magic happens. Finish off with a dime-sized amount of pomade. This product offers a solid hold, but also a touch of shine which Ronaldo is known for. However, if you want to increase the shine and wet look even more, opt for Power Pomade. It's our classic pomade on roids. It's the GOAT for super high hold, super high shine, and super high control. So there you have it. Head to your barber with Ronaldo photos at the ready, grab the amazing products listed below that make styling a breeze, and you'll be well on your way to styling it like Ronaldo.